In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Outlook. We've all been there. You've accidentally deleted an important email and now you need it back. It might seem daunting at first, but thankfully, Microsoft Outlook has a pretty straightforward method to recover those lost emails. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First off, you'll want to open your Outlook application. Once you have it up and running, look over to your left-hand panel where you see your email folders. Here, you'll notice a folder labeled Deleted Items. This is the key to retrieving your deleted emails, so go ahead and click on that folder. Now, within the Deleted Items folder, you should see a list of emails that you've recently deleted. They hang around in this folder for a set period before being permanently deleted, which gives you a crucial window to act. When you find the email you're looking to recover, you need to perform a right-click on that particular email. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Right-clicking is simply done by using the right button on your mouse, or, if you're on a touchpad, using two-finger tap for the same effect. The drop-down menu contains several options to handle your selected email. Next, you will want to navigate to the option that says Move. Click on this, and you will see a range of destinations where you can move your email. Essentially, this function allows you to transfer your email back to its rightful spot. You can choose to move the email back to your inbox or possibly another folder if you have a specific organizational system in place. To move the email back to your main inbox, simply select Inbox from the Move options. As soon as you do this, the email will be relocated from the Deleted Items folder back into your inbox. And there you have it. Your deleted email is now successfully restored to your inbox, like it was never lost in the first place. This method is reliable and efficient, making it a go-to option whenever you find yourself in a bind having deleted an important email. Remember, the Deleted Items folder only retains your emails for a limited time, so it's crucial to act promptly if you realize an email is missing. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you understand the simple steps needed to recover deleted emails in Outlook. Don't forget to give your Deleted Items folder a quick look through now and then to ensure nothing important is lingering there. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.